Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit minimal coffee filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials. Here are the example photos, before and after using this filter. So let's start.
Did you really think that you could just fix it like that? Coming over here, trying to feed me your version of fact. Just how long did you think that you could fake it? you've got